Are the mashed potatoes, are they good? Good mashed potatoes?
They're great.
Yeah.
The best.
Yeah, I made them. I love them.
Thank you. I really enjoyed them. They were
Yeah,
very good.
they're great.
I'll get to the dishes.
Good. You want some peas or something? After that, peas?
Peas remind me when I stuck a pea up my nose
Yeah.
and I couldn't breathe for 25 minutes. Well.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think it's your turn for story time tonight.
No, I mean, I told Jimmy about the princess and the soldier last night, and before that it was the bear walking into the dentist's office. So I think 2 out of 3 nights, you know, you should at least do the fatherly thing once in a while. And, you know, I mean, I cooked all week, you know, maybe you could put your weight around here.
I took out the trash. Alice.
You're a bad husband.
I can't take out the trash because I have carpal tunnel, okay?
Really?
So, yeah.
Can I see some medical documentation?
Oh, you don't trust me
No,
now?
I don't.
It hurts. It hurts.
I don't trust that that's the reason.
You think that I would fake carpal tunnel?
Oh yeah. Role play.
Just...
You faked some other things.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god! That is the like second worst thing you've ever said to me.
Well, you know what? I think some
Ooh, yeah.
too.
Finger her. Finger her.
I helped you, alright? I helped you fix that ceiling fan.
Oh.
I helped you.
And the
I put
carpal
my
tunnel
weight
just-
around here.
A lot of weight too.
Oh my god! That is
Someone-
definitely the second or third worst thing you've ever said to me.
Yeah. Finger him.
What was the first?
Told me I'd be a terrible mother. Oh.